In the middle of a hot July, the people of Caravaca were stunned when the streets suddenly turned white. It wasn't snow, it was hail. An unusual storm hit the northwestern region of Murcia, transforming the town into a winter scene in the middle of summer. What happened, and what were the consequences? In less than an hour, more than 100 liters of water per square meter fell on Caravaca, accompanied by dense hail. Ping-pong-sized hailstones rained down relentlessly, leaving residents barely time to take cover in panic. A gloomy sky, howling wind, and the sound of rocks hitting corrugated iron roofs echoed throughout the streets. Fifteen 20-centimeter thick hail covered the roads, blocking the drainage. Caravaca was covered in unprecedented ice. Cars stalled and the slippery ice residents watched helplessly as their property was flooded with cold water. Emergency crews had to clear the ice as if they were shoveling snow in the middle of winter. The Spanish meteorological agency AEMET immediately issued an orange alert for the northwestern region of Murcia. 20 people were forced to evacuate because 2 ancient buildings were at risk of collapsing due to water seepage and falling rocks. A summer night suddenly turned into a race to escape between water, rocks, and time. By the next morning, more than 130 emergency incidents had been reported. 13 vehicles were stuck, 27 had to be pumped out, and 35 roadblocks were blocking the road. Many vehicles had broken windows, dented hoods, and roofs blown off or collapsed. A single storm, but left behind serious chain reactions. Many roads in Caravaca, Moratala, Kalispara, and Archivale were flooded, covered with ice causing traffic jams and slippery conditions. Buses and cars could not pass. Authorities were forced to temporarily close the roads to allow for cleanup while residents used shovels to remove ice from their doors. The hailstorms did not just hit homes. Some peach and almond orchards suffered minor damage, but with the wheat harvest now over, agricultural damage was limited. While no lives were lost, the shock of nature left the region devastated. On social media, images of white roads, damaged cars, and people shoveling ice like snow have left netizens stunned. No one expected a hot, sunny town to be hit by a hailstorm as cold as the north. Residents described a scene not seen in decades. According to meteorologists, hailstorms in the middle of summer in Spain will no longer be a rare occurrence. The extreme weather from scorching sunshine to hailstorms is a clear sign of climate change. And Caravaca is just one of many warning signs. Spain is used to hot weather, but now it is faced with unexpected hail and thunderstorms. This poses a new challenge for urban disaster prevention and warning. Caravaca 24/7 will no longer be a normal day. It will be a warning sign for the entire Iberian Peninsula.
Guaita. Tots trinxats, xaval. Guaita. Però clar, no és el vidre només. Tots guanyegats. Tots, clar.